Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make waffle liquid updated. Combine 2 cups milk, 1 cup flour, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tsp baking powder, and 1/4 tsp salt, then whisk until smooth. Add 2 tablespoons melted butter or oil for richness and adjust thickness with a splash of milk. Let the batter rest 10 minutes for better texture, then pour onto a hot waffle iron and cook until golden brown. Stir in simple flavor additions to adapt the waffle liquid to your taste. Try 1 tsp vanilla, 1 tablespoon cocoa, or 1 tablespoon cinnamon with orange zest for different profiles. Fold in 1/2 cup blueberries or 1/3 cup nuts for texture, or swap milk for buttermilk to boost tang. Small changes like 2 tablespoons sugar, less or more butter will tweak crispness and browning to suit your waffle iron and preference. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Waffle water bottle, a handy companion while you cook and taste test waffles. It fits cup holders and keeps drinks cold during long mornings. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a sip and relax. Now let's get back to the video. Preheat the waffle iron fully to avoid soggy centers and to promote even browning. Use a 1/2 cup ladle for each waffle so sizes match and cook times stay consistent. Avoid peeking too often. Wait until steam slows and edges look crisp and golden before lifting. If waffles stick, brush the iron with a little oil next time. Serve immediately for best texture, or keep warm in a 200 degrees F oven for a short time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.